The content of this video is intended for service technicians. The procedures and processes depicted are to be performed only by trained technicians. All procedures and processes were filmed in a controlled environment. Some safety equipment and/or safety guards or barriers have been removed or foregone for visual clarity. Always read and apply the general and specific safety rules and safety messages presented in the appropriate service manual and operator's manual. Always wear appropriate personal protection equipment. This video on the front hitch components is part of our series on the Zoidberg 60 KN series front hitch and PTO. The front hitch is designed for Category 3N implements and is integrated into the front frame and mounted close to the tractor for greater lifting capacity. Although the hitch function is essentially the same, the New Holland front hitch mounts to the front bolster and the Case IH structure mounts to the frame. The optional front hitch consists of an adjustable top link and a pair of folding lower links, which are rigidly mounted with no lateral sway. The lower links have open claw ends for rapid coupling and uncoupling of implements. These claws are equipped with self-locking latches for positive retention of the implement. The hitch package includes the front clevis and two Category 3 balls with hole diameters for Category 2 pins for installation on the implement. The balls should be installed on each lower hitch pin of the implement. The Zoidberg front hitch is not controlled by a dedicated hitch valve. It does not incorporate load pins, so unlike the rear hitch, there's no draft control. The number 4 remote valve supplies the front hitch cylinders with oil, which lets the operator use the feathering function associated with the remote lever or joystick if equipped for both raise and lower functions. Short hoses supplied with the tractor are used to jumper the flow from another remote valve to the 4th remote coupler for the front implement. An additional set of remote couplers is also available. A 7-pin auxiliary outlet near the implement couplers is available to provide power for the implement electrical system, warning lamps, and field lights. This outlet is identical to the outlet at the rear of the tractor. Multi-valve levers on the front hitch let you lock the hitch mechanically. An accumulator provides cushioning by eliminating bounce-induced shock to the system and ensuring stability while roading. The accumulator is charged to 40 bar. A position potentiometer is hardwired to the Universal Control Module, or UCM, and the UCM communicates position to the Instrument Control Unit, or ICU. The UCM determines the hitch raise and lower speed with flow from the number 4 remote valve. The flow control has no effect on hitch speed. The front hitch lift capacity is 9,425 pounds at the claw ends. Do not exceed front tire, front axle, or vehicle limits with any hitch attachment. Watch the next video in this series to learn about front hitch operation.